Welcome sa wedding ni Karen. At ni Karen, siya nag-asikaso lahat.
Busy ako dito sa wedding na to. Focus. Teka, ito papaya.
Ayaw ko pakisin. Mamaya ito sa akin.
Kaya ako,
Ready nyo na yung pakimkim nyo.
Depende sa pakimkim. Ay, hindi na. Hindi honggong. Siyempre. Sanay sa travel, kailangan mabilisan.
Diyan ka muna sa puwet ko.
Buksan mo, papasukin ako. Best friend ko to since high school. Kailangan ako lang ang maganda to. Decal, boss.
Kaya pala ako
Pagod na ako kapag
Hindi ko ba napapalinis yung garden?
ayusin nyo.
Wala na akong gustong gawin dyan. Edit.
You're so pretty.
Nasaan ang bride? Tagal!
Kinikilig sila. Sakal na yan!
Kasal na ako eh.
To the man I can now call my home, Irvin. I have loved you for almost 11 years now. And that day I become your wife finally arrived. The day I get the privilege of loving you for all the rest of them.
Ayun, parang may galit kayo ah. Parang may galit kayo. Sana hindi ako marunong tumingin ng oras.
I found a girl nice love. She'll come and stay the night. And I think
Para dito pala yung tissue.
got everything for the girl he's in my way.
Sobra, make up.
But I know the things he gives me, he can take away.
Papraktis ako magpigil.
To my mommy and daddy, I always find myself coming home because I find comfort whenever I am home. The comfort my parents never failed to give me.
Mami and Daddy, kakasal na po ang panganay niyong anak. Mahal na mahal ko po kayong dalawa. Huwag po kayong magsasawang suportahan ako at kaming mag-asawa. Maraming salamat po sa lahat.
A home was never a really place for me. It was always a person. And somehow, in God's grace, that person became you.
Lagi akong inaantok pagkasama ka. Hindi dahil boring kang kausap o kasama. Ang totoo nun ay ikaw ang aking pahinga.
That I've got, please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Whoa, please don't take.
Mapapagod ka dahil araw-araw mo na akong aasikasuhin. At hihingaling ka dahil sa paghabol sa mga magiging anak natin.
I found my mind, I'm feeling sane. It's been a while, but I'm finding my faith. If
Kahit kapag mahirap ka ng mahalin, asahan mo, pipiliin ko pa din ang tayo. Mahal na mahal kita, Mrs. Abansado.
Irvin, after all these years, through all the waiting, prayers, at sa lahat ng parinig ko, I finally get to say, I choose you, I will keep choosing you for the rest of my life.
You now may kiss the bride.
I think I'm in love. 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 I think I'm in. Don't stop. Your hands on my chest and lose composure. Don't walls are going up and running
Sarap nga yung tulog ko.
walls are going up like really no
Ako buhay na to. Dapat ka ako butter na.
Hindi, munchkin lang to. Kanina ko pa hiningi.
I'll shift my tone for ya. I'll drop my phone for ya. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love.
Nagpayak pa ako ng bata.
I think I'm in love.
Huwag yun siya sabi, hinawa ko nga lang kayo. Mamaya na yan, bebles muna ako. Ano? Ito, bantayan mo, bata mo, tol. Kung hawakan, baka po ano lumabas na. Huwag kita nakilala. Ay!
I'll shift my tone for ya. I'll drop my phone for ya.
Yan ang pogi.